Welcome to an exploration of nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, a compound revolutionizing our understanding of aging. This remarkable molecule has captured the attention of scientists and biohackers for its potential to influence our biological clocks. Join me as we delve into the science behind NMN and its transformative impact on cellular health. NAD+ levels decline with age, crucially impacting cellular function. In youth, high NAD+ supports energy and DNA repair. By middle age, NAD+ levels can drop by 50%, affecting cellular efficiency. This decline accelerates aging, as cells struggle to maintain energy and repair, highlighting NAD+ depletion as a fundamental aging mechanism. Critically low NAD+ levels in advanced age lead to energy deficits and decreased cellular repair, accelerating aging. This depletion is a fundamental aging mechanism, impairing our cells' ability to produce energy and maintain themselves. As NAD+ diminishes, age-related deterioration sets in, highlighting the importance of maintaining NAD+ for cellular health and longevity. NAD+ is vital for energy production and DNA repair, acting as a signaling molecule during cellular stress. It maintains cellular health and youthfulness. As NAD+ levels decline with age, cellular repair diminishes, accelerating aging. Understanding NAD+'s role is crucial for exploring anti-aging interventions, such as NMN supplementation, which aims to restore NAD+ levels and enhance cellular function. Dr. David Sinclair, a leading figure in longevity research at Harvard, has significantly advanced our understanding of aging. His book Lifespan brings this research to the public, advocating for NMN to boost NAD+ levels. His studies show NMN's potential to reverse aging aspects, spotlighting its role in cellular health and rejuvenation. NMN converts to NAD+ in cells, activating sirtuins, which are crucial for mitochondrial function and DNA repair. This process may rejuvenate cellular mechanisms, offering potential anti-aging benefits. By enhancing NAD+ levels, NMN supplementation could reactivate cellular repair systems that decline with age, providing a promising intervention in the aging process. Sirtuins, crucial cellular defenders, rely on NAD+ to function. They regulate inflammation, enhance mitochondrial function, and maintain circadian rhythms, vital for metabolic health. As NAD+ levels decline with age, sirtuin activity decreases, accelerating aging. NMN supplementation aims to restore NAD+, reactivating sirtuins, and potentially reversing age-related cellular decline. Animal studies reveal NMN's potential in enhancing physical performance and metabolic health. Older mice showed improved endurance, running up to 80% further, and better glucose tolerance. These findings suggest NMN may counter biological aging by protecting organs and maintaining muscle function, offering a promising avenue for longevity research. Human trials confirm NMN's safety and metabolic benefits, showing early evidence of enhanced aerobic capacity. These findings align with NMN's mechanisms, suggesting its potential in improving human health. As we explore further, we'll see how consistent NMN use over 90 days can lead to significant energy and metabolic improvements. Over 90 days, NMN supplementation enhances energy, metabolism, and sleep quality. Users report improved endurance and skin elasticity, with benefits accumulating over time. Consistent use is key for maximizing these effects, setting the stage for measurable improvements in metabolic markers, as we'll explore next. Blood tests reveal NMN's impact on glucose, inflammation, and lipid markers, showing improved insulin sensitivity and reduced systemic inflammation. Regular testing is crucial to understand NMN's biochemical effects, as results vary with lifestyle. This data provides a measurable insight into NMN's potential to enhance cellular health and longevity. Biological age testing reveals NMN's rejuvenating effects, showing age reduction in users. These tests measure DNA methylation and molecular markers, providing objective evidence of NMN's impact on cellular health. Such insights are crucial for understanding how NMN might reverse aging at a molecular level, offering a promising avenue for longevity research. Optimal NMN dosage varies. Start with 250 milligrams daily. Experts like myself often use higher doses, such as 1,000 milligrams. Consistent use over time maximizes benefits, enhancing cellular health and longevity. Adjust your dosage based on personal response and scientific guidance for best results. Taking NMN in the morning on an empty stomach optimizes absorption. Resveratrol may enhance NMN's effects, while split dosing can reduce stomach discomfort. This approach aligns with natural circadian rhythms, potentially boosting energy levels throughout the day. Consider these strategies to maximize NMN's anti-aging benefits and improve cellular health. Select NMN supplements with verified purity and stability. Ensure they are produced in good manufacturing practice-certified facilities for quality control. Consider formulations that enhance bioavailability for better absorption. This ensures you receive the full benefits of NMN, supporting cellular health and longevity. Combining NMN with compounds like resveratrol and TMG can enhance its effects. Quercetin and berberine offer additional benefits, addressing multiple aging aspects. This stacking approach targets various pathways, potentially amplifying NMN's impact on cellular health and longevity. Exercise, diet, and sleep significantly enhance NMN's effects. Hormetic stressors like fasting boost NAD+ production, amplifying NMN's benefits. A comprehensive longevity approach, integrating these lifestyle factors, optimizes NMN's impact on cellular health, offering a holistic strategy for anti-aging. Skeptics question NMN due to limited human studies and absorption issues. However, recent research addresses these concerns, showing specific transporters may aid absorption. While NMN's cost is debated, its potential to enhance healthspan justifies the investment. As more studies emerge, our understanding of NMN's benefits continues to evolve, promising exciting developments in longevity science. NMN holds therapeutic promise beyond anti-aging, potentially treating metabolic and cardiovascular disorders. It may support brain health and slow neurodegeneration. These applications suggest NMN could offer targeted interventions for specific health conditions, expanding its benefits beyond general longevity. Case studies reveal NMN's real-life benefits. Users report enhanced physical performance, mental clarity, and reduced biological age. Michael, 58, completed a triathlon after a decade, while Elaine, 64, experienced improved mental clarity and reduced inflammation. Robert and Janet, in their 70s, noted better joint mobility and sleep, with biological age reductions of over 5 years. Start NMN supplementation with a baseline health assessment. Track progress and adjust your protocol based on results. Combine NMN with lifestyle changes like exercise and diet for optimal longevity benefits. This approach ensures you maximize the potential anti-aging effects of NMN, enhancing cellular health and overall well-being.